Question 1A. In 2023, a football club had 50 adult members and 70 child members. The membership fee for an adult was $40 and the membership fee for a child was $15. Calculate the total of the membership fees received by the club in 2023. So let's denote the adult members by A and the child members by C. That implies the total to be equals to $40 into A, the number of adults, add $15 into C, the number of child members. So that will be equals to 40 into A, that is 50 adult members, plus 15 into 70, that is 70 child members. So you can input this into your calculator and that will give you the answer straight away. So we have 40, so into bracket 50, let's close the bracket, then add 15 into bracket 70. So let's close the bracket. So you hit enter, you get this is 5 here, so let's go back. You have to make this 50, okay, 40 into 50, add 15 into 70, yes, okay, that's correct now. So you hit enter, you have 3050. So you can always save your time by using calculator. So the answer here is $3,050. Roman figure 2. The cost of running the club in 2023 was $2,780. Calculate $2,780 as a percentage of the total of the membership fees received by the club. So this will be 2,780 over, this is the total, that is 3,050, then multiplied by 100%. Okay, so can pick up your calculator once again. Okay, so let's rub off this. Then you need a fraction, so click this. So you have 2780, then come down a little bit, so you have 3050, then multiply by 100, so you hit enter. So you have fraction, then click this to get your decimal number. So this will be 91.1. So let's write 91.1%. Roman figure 3. In 2023, there were 120 members. This was a decrease by 4% of the number of members in 2022. Calculate the number of members in 2022. Okay, so that implies 120 members is at 96%. Okay, so because it was a decrease of 4%, so we can say that at 96%, so we have 120. So we need to get the number of members in 2022, so which is at 100%. Okay, so 100% will be equals to x. So if you cross multiply, so that will be equals to 96 times x equals to 100 times 100% times 120. So if you make x the subject of the formula, so that will be x equals to 120 multiplied by 100, then divided by 96. So you can always input this into your calculator and get your answer straight away. So let's rub off this. So we need a fraction again. This will be 120, then multiplied by 100. Then let's come down. So you have 96. So that will be equals to 125. So the number of members in 2022 was 125. Okay, so let's go to the next question. That is Roman figure 4. in 2024, the total number of members increased from 120 members to, from 120 members in 2023. So the number of adult members and the number of child members each increased by the same number. So the ratio number of adults to number of child members changed to 14 to 19. Find the total number of members in 2024. Okay, so this is pretty good. So we can do this. A ratio C, that is 14 to 19. Okay, so we need to take note of something. So the adults A, okay, increased by the same number as the what? As the child members. So that means you can have, if you go up, we have 50 against 70. Okay, so if they increase by the same number, so that means we have 50 plus x, and for the child it will be 70 plus x. So it's according to this statement that the number of adults and the number of child members each increased by the same number. So that has taken care of it. Okay, so now if we write this as ratio of this, that is 50 plus x over 70 plus x is equals to 14 out of 19. Okay, 14 out of 19. So let's solve this to get the value of x. So you need to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, so that will be 14 into 70 plus x, then equals to 19 into 50 plus x. So let's expand the bracket. So this will give us 14 times 70, that will be 980. Okay, plus 14 times x, 14x equals to 19 times 50, that will be 950 plus 19x. So if you rearrange, you see that 980 subtract 950 equals to 19x minus 14x. So this will be 30 equals to 5x. Okay, so from there, let's divide this into 2. Okay, like this. So from there, if you divide both sides by 5, that is by 5 here, by 5 here, so x equals to 6. So that is the value of x. So for the child members, so it will be equals to this 70 plus x. So that will be 76. Okay, so the child will be 76 now, and then the adult will be 56. Okay, that is 50 plus 6. So to get the total now, so we get 56 plus 76. Okay, so the total number of members now, so the total will be equals to 56 plus 76. Okay, so that is 50 plus 6 to get 56, and 70 plus 6 to get 76. So you add them together, so that will be 132 members in 2024. So let's go to the next question. That is question still on 1A. This is question 1A for part B. Calculate the percentage increase in the total number of members from 2023 to 2024. Okay, so in 2023, so let's put the numbers there. 2023, we have 120. Okay, and for 2024, we have 132. So the percentage increase, okay, will be increase over the initial, that is the population in 2023 initial, okay, then times 100%. Okay, so this is the formula for the percentage increase. So the increase will be the number in 2024, which is 132, minus the number in the figure in 2023, that will be 120, over the initial. The initial is 2023, so which is 120, then multiplied by 100%. Okay, so you can input this into your calculator straight away to get your answer. Okay, so let's do this. We need the fraction. Okay, oh, sorry, apology. I didn't know that my calculator was not displaying. Okay, sorry for that. So it will be the fraction now. So that will be 132, then minus 120. Then you come down, you have 120. Then you can hit this, and you can also input 100%, that is multiply by 100. So you hit enter, so you get this. So this is 10%. So let's write 10 here. Now question 1b, the population of a village is 2,500. The population is decreasing exponentially at the rate of 3% per year. Calculate the population at the end of 3 years. Okay, so for exponential growth and then decay, so you can always use this formula: y equals to ab to the power of x. You could see any letters here. Okay, so the most important thing is you should know that this is for the current population, that is y. So y is the new population, a is the current population, b is the rate. Okay, so if you have exponential rate, so b will be equals to 1 plus r, and if you have exponential decay, so that will be 1 minus r. Okay, so that is the formula for that. Those are the formulae for b. So it could be 1 plus r, it could be 1 minus r. So it depends on the type of growth you have, the exponential decay or exponential growth. Okay, so x is the time. So let's write the parameters down. So the rate r equals to 3%, that is 3 over 100, which is equals to 0.03, and the time t, okay, that is x equals to 3, okay, and a is equals to 2,500, so that is the current population. Okay, so the new value will be y. So let's key in the values here. For b, so b will now be equals to, since we have is decreasing exponentially, that is decay, so b will be equals to 1 minus r, so that is that is equals to 1 minus 0.03. Okay, so let's key in the values there. So it will be equals to y will be equals to 2500 into 1 minus, that is the value of b now, 0.03 to the power of x, which is 3. Okay, so you can input this directly into your calculator without wasting your time. So here, let's rub off this. So let's put this here. We have 2500. Okay, so into bracket 1 minus 0.03, then to the power of 3. So we can do this. Let's put 3 here, then hit enter. So we have 2281.68. So this is approximately 2280. So Roman figure 2, find the number of complete years it takes for the population to first fall below 2,000. Okay, so in this case, a is equals to, let's take the value of a to be equals to 2,500. Then to fall below this, so let's take y to be equals to 2,000. That's the new value. Okay, so other parameters remain the same, okay, except the x that want to find the time. Okay, so that is b is equals to 1 minus 0.03, then we need to find x, which is the time now. So using the same formula, y equals to ab to the power of x. So we have 2000 to be equals to 2500 into 1 minus 0.03 to the power of x. So let's divide both sides by 2500. So this will go. So 2500. So if you input this into your calculator, 2000 divided by 2500, so you should get 0.8. Then equals to, this will give us 0.97 to the power of x. So here we need to take the logarithm of both sides. So I can say log of this, then log of this. So from the logarithm, the x can now come down here now. So that will be logarithm of 0.8 equals to x logarithm of 0.97. So I can now divide both sides by logarithm of this, that is logarithm of 0.97 over logarithm of 0.97. So this will cancel this and I'll have only x left there. So you can input this into your calculator straight away, so you'll get the answer. So you can look for the logarithm here. So this is the logarithm. So we need a fraction, then logarithm of 0.8. So let's close the brackets. So come down. So we need logarithm of 0.97. Okay, so let's close the bracket. So if you hit enter, so you will get this, that is 7.3259 and so on and so forth. Okay, so but what we need, so this is for exactly 2000. So for the population to fall below 2000, so it will take more time. Okay, so we need the complete years. Okay, so that will be the first year will be 8. That is the next whole number, complete year, which is 8. So we'll put x equals to 8. That is 8 years. Okay, so this will be the end of my solution to question 1. In the next video, I will solve question 2. Until then, have your fingers crossed.